Alright, don't get too hyped yet, because we don't know if this is going to work, but basically, my headlight switch and dimmer switch were actually loose. In fact, one of them was like down when it needs to go up, and this one was down when it needs to go up, so, and they weren't even clicked in, so I clicked them in. And yeah, now we're going to try and see if it changes anything. Before we aren't getting headlights. Battery's in the back, so I'll just hooking up a negative there. So let's hook one off. Alright. The voltage just spiked up for some reason there. Still nothing. Still nothing. Nope, headlights won't pop up or nothing. Yeah. Alright, that's a fair. Well, I might have figured out the problem. I'm just a dumbass. I forgot that there's a connector. Well, I had like a bunch of loose cables and I was wondering what the hell they went to. I completely forgot that you have to plug in not only just the grounds for the fuse box, we have to actually plug in the switches. So I didn't plug in the switches. So let's see the difference that makes now. Had to redo the video because we have no space on the phone. So let's plug in this battery as quick as possible and hope this bitch works. Pray for me. Well, update didn't work. Still got no parking lights. I'll have to check what my headlights in a sec, but yeah. Yes! Much better results. Alright. Much better results. Check this out now. Oh, the blinker light's working. Let's go. Yes, the blinker light's working. Let's fucking go. My phone's at 1%, so it's about to die. But just like that, I just got paid to fucking make a blast pipe exhaust at work. And boys, she came out pretty mint. She came out pretty mint. It looks stupid when I do like that, but basically it sits like this, but just a bit. Oh, I missed that. I would say that needs a change. Just a bit, eh? Just a bit. Where's my own? Yikes. Okay, note to self. I almost blew up a battery on myself there. That was questionable. Guess I put the wrong ground on or something? I don't know. This thing just went on fire. Like, holy shit. Yeah, the car was about to fucking explode. I turned around and there was just fucking clouds of smoke, like, just everywhere. Holy shit. It busted off the nut. Like, the nut is coming. Like, Jesus Christ. What the? I'm an idiot.